Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to change the color of a plot title in Python. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you'd like a different color for your plot title than the default color that Python has, which is black. So I'll be showing you how to change the color of a plot title in Python today. Check out the video description as I'll try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. As you can see, I already have a plot here with a title that's a scatter plot. So what you're going to do to change the color inside this line, inside the plt.title line, what you're going to do is, if you don't have a font size specified, then for you this will be after your label, but you'll just put a comma and you're going to say color. And just remember, color is spelled with an O. There's no U here, unfortunately. But yeah, and then you're just going to choose the color that you want your title to be. So as I've just labeled, I've given it label blue, and I'm going to run this now. And as you can see, it changes the color of my title to blue. And you can obviously check out, Matplotlib has a variety of colors that you can use, so you can check that out on their website and documentation. And yeah, that's basically it. You can choose any of those colors. And yeah, there you have it. If you wanted to know how to change the color of a plot title in Python, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.